Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sign a doc right on your iPad using the Preview app. Super clutch if you want to skip all that printing, signing, and scanning just to shoot someone a signed copy. All right, let's jump in. Method 1, using the Clipboard. So first things first, crack open the Preview app on your iPad. If you're rocking iOS 26, it should already be chilling there by default. Now, pull up the doc you want to sign. You can either browse through your files or peep your recent stuff right on the app's home screen. Once you got your doc open, look up at the top menu and smash that clipboard icon with the little pen on it. Down in the bottom left, you're going to see a plus icon. Tap that bad boy. Then just tap the signature you want to slap on there and boom, it drops it right onto your doc. Want to add a brand new sig? In the signatures bar up top left, you'll see a plus icon. Tap that. Now go ahead and scribble your name with your Apple Pencil or just your finger. Heads up, that trackpad on the Magic Keyboard kind of sucks for this. When you're done, hit the check mark up in the top right to lock it in. Now you can drag it around wherever you want, pinch to make it bigger or smaller, all that good stuff. Want to bold it up or switch the color? Just tap the little slash icon, then hit the plus to thicken it. If it's still not popping, tap the minus to tweak the size and pick whatever color you're feeling. Method 2, using the Markup toolbar. All right, so open up from the Preview app again. Look up top and tap that first icon. That's your Markup toolbar. It's going to drop down all the tools you need to doodle or highlight on your doc. Tap the plus icon, hit Add Signature, pick your sig, and drop it right where you want. Same deal. Move it around, resize, change up the weight or the color by tapping those slash, plus, or minus icons. And that's a wrap. Your doc's all signed and ready to go. Now you can save it, email it off, or upload it wherever you need. If this video helped you out, do me a solid, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick iPad and iPhone hacks.